This is probably the dirtiest my car has ever been, and that's because I've been driving it every single day, and it's probably been one of the best decisions I've ever made. But one thing I'm curious about is how is this Plasti-Dip actually holding up to all these elements? I was the biggest hater of Plasti-Dip, and this video is by no means sponsored by Plasti-Dip or any other dip form of brand. This is just my genuine thoughts on this and if it worked. Again, no sponsorships whatsoever. I've been daily driving this through the salt, the snow, all that crap every day, and again, it's been really fun, and it looks like the Plasti-Dip's holding up better than I expected, except it's extremely dirty. They're kind of a matte finish, and because of the dip texture, it grabs anything on the road and just sticks to it. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna head on over to the car wash, and I'm gonna put it through that, and I'm just gonna go through the auto touchless car wash, which I know probably isn't the best idea for the wheels, but that's what I realistically would use throughout the winter, and I wanna see if those jets in there are gonna blast it off or if it's gonna actually clean it and show up decent when we're out of it. So let's go check that out. Anytime it hits above 30 degrees in Wisconsin, the car wash line just starts going nutso. I spy with my little eye Cobalt SS. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, God. I've seen him do it on like 10 vehicles. What up, dude? Oh, no. Just don't do the paint. Don't do the paint. Don't do the paint. Oh, God. No. Stop. Oh. Oh. Should I do round two? Should I do round two? Oh, God. Oh my God. All right, let's see how it's holding up. Oh, all right, all right. Oh, God damn it. Oh, God. Oh, I'm gonna need to change. I'm soaked this time. Oh, God. I'm soaked. Oh, I'm gonna be known as the frickin' car wash guy. I gotta stop. Oh my God, the last time I didn't get this wet. All right, besides the car wash not doing that great of a job cleaning my car and me getting a little bit soaked, it looks like the wheels, although it held up to the pressure washer, it just didn't clean them. So I'll have to look up how to like clean these a little bit better, because they're still dirty as hell even after the car wash. But what's good to see is that it didn't just like peel it all away, which is a little bit what I was nervous about. I think Plasti-Dip truly is a good option for like your stock wheels if you want to spice them up, or if you're transitioning into winter or some driving experience where you could potentially like ding up your wheels or something like that. I think it's a good opportunity. I think paint obviously is still a million times better in every way. It's just a lot more expensive to do, and you don't want it to like corrode in the winter, so I think it's a great option here. If you guys are interested, you can check the links down in my description below. I have affiliate links there. I get a small kickback from each one if you guys shop through that, and it costs nothing extra to you. I hope you're enjoying this stuff, and we'll keep giving you updates. Thanks for being here.